Now, if you run a productized agency, then you can actually build the perfect core offer up front. And the reason for that is, as a productized agency, the problem you're solving is always the same. And so the solution that you offer them is largely going to be the same. You build a template and then you'll tweak it slightly every single time for different customers. But that solution is technically going to be the same. And so the core offer that you build is going to be largely correct, and it's going to apply to everyone inside your specific target market. Now, when it comes to building out your core offer as a productized agency, you have to think of these three things. Not just your product, but you should be thinking of the problem that you're solving, the solution that you're offering, which is the product itself, and the outcome the customer will achieve from implementing that product inside their business. So for the problem, ask yourself, what problem does that actually solve? We actually figured this out in the last section because we went from problem to solution, not from solution to problem. So this one you should already have locked in. And then in terms of solution, we're thinking, how are we solving this problem? This is also something we mapped out before, so you should also have this locked in by now. Then we're thinking of outcome. What does life look like for the customer after implementing that solution? Once you've figured out the problem, the solution, and the outcome, you're now ready to build your one-line core offer. The one-line core offer, which is the main thing you're selling, should say, I help this person achieve this outcome by this offer. So for example, it would say, I help real estate agents make more money by automating their lead follow-up process directly within their CRM. That is the core offer, or the main thing that you're selling as part of your business. Now in the next section, we're going to add more features to this core offer to turn it into an irresistible offer that your customers cannot say no to. We want to make it so good and so valuable for your customer that they literally feel it's a no-brainer and they will be super excited to take on that solution as soon as possible. Now, this was your core offer, or the main thing you're selling. In the next section, we're going to add more features to this offer to turn it to an irresistible offer your customers cannot say no to. We want to make it so valuable that it literally becomes a no-brainer for your customers. Now, once you have a good idea of your core offer, I want you to come to the AAA strategy book and fill out the section called core offer. Put the problem you're solving here, the solution you're offering to solve that problem here, which is your product, and the outcome that the customer will achieve after implementing that solution in their business over here. Then I want you to create your one-line core offer. I help this person achieve this outcome by this solution.